Hi lovely people, Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullah Wabarakatuh. It's time for demolding our keychains. Banaye, I'm very sorry. Nduddewo okuddamu okumaliriza obuntu buno. Mbaddemu n'ebinkutte but alhamdulillah, here I am. Let's demold this together. Because the last time I was here, we were pouring these keychains. Now they cured very well and they are ready to go. Yes, it's going to be a long one. So grab yourself a drink. If you can, get seated, pay attention, and let's do this. Yes, musibye mutya leero. How's been your day? Hope everything is okay. Alhamdulillah. Not so bad. I have some challenges, but like everyone, everything will be fine, inshallah. Yeah. So we're demolding one by one, and we are going to put this together. Wenanga mulaba right on the camera here. So this is the letter U I told you about. It has color black the other side, and then it has gold and silver on the other side. Letter B. So at the end of the video, inshallah, I would love to hear from you. Which one was your best? Which one do you think came out really well and came out really best? This letter R and letter L are going to be shakers, so we're not going to do them now. That will be for later. Yeah, let's finish these letters, the clear ones are, and then so it's time to clean up. Like I always say, I hate mess. I really do hate mess. And this is how I clean these silicone mats. Someone was asking me, how do you manage to take off that mess? I use tape. If I have clear, alhamdulillah. If I don't have clear, even masking tape would do. So I'm trying to organize all of them. So like I told you, those accessories that I add on, the stars, the hearts, sometimes I put the tiny letters. So let's put them together. Using my pliers, I put the ring. We have those ones with a hole in them where I just put the ring inside, like this letter T. And then we have those ones where I drill and then I put the eyelet. So this one is also for the whole letter U. I love the way they are coming out. Yes. So if you're new here, this is the edge strands and threads. We do resin art, embroidery, engraving, rhinestoning. We have beautiful pieces like these beautiful keychains you see right here that we're putting together. The last video we were doing the pouring, and now we're trying to put them together. So this is the eyelet I told you about. So you just twist it inside, and then it's different from the ring where you have to put the ring inside the letter. Those molds are different. Yes. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for following my videos. I've not been posting for the last 2 days, and then people were asking me, where did you go? What happened? I really do appreciate that you follow my videos. It means a lot to me. May God bless you for me. So let's clean up this area and get ready for the next step. This is my second way of cleaning. I use wet wipe and dry it with a tissue. Yeah, that is the second way. The first one is with the tape, and then this one with a wet wipe. I changed the gloves to pink because the first pair got torn, you know. those rings, the pliers are always very rough on the gloves, so I had to change to another pair of gloves. Look at these pieces, so beautiful. Alhamdulillah, I love them already. What do you think, guys? Which one is your best? We have F for Frank, and we have the letters inside. We have S with a beach theme with the shells. We have B, we have A, we have U, and this R. We have T, and then another A. Guys, and the last one is E. So let's remove this one and then let's proceed and see how did they turn up. Get ready to see the beautiful and gorgeous keychains. There you go. I love them. I'm really happy they turned up really nice. Gorgeous pieces. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. If you have made it this far, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Be safe. Take care. We meet again in another video. Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullah.